With the world changing and technology changing, we recognized that we would need to pivot to better serve our partners and innovate in the democracy field if we were going to remain relevant. AWS, cloud computing, paired with mobile and social and some of the other huge trends that are taking place today, really are helping us better innovate and stay competitive. I'm Chris Spence. I'm Chief Technology Officer at a group called NDI, the National Democratic Institute. We have 1,400 staff, about 250 of which are at the headquarters, but we actually serve a very diverse global set of employees and partners working with technology around the world. We'll work with election monitoring groups and other civil society organizations to help ensure that the government is carrying out fair elections and being held to account for good policy. NDI recognized about 4 years ago when we started our journey to the cloud that uncertain funding in the future for democratic development, really we needed to make sure that we had a flexible IT organization. So what we did was begin to migrate applications to the cloud because we needed to ensure that our tech staff, with limited resources and limited budget that wasn't likely to expand, were able to meet increasing staff demand. We chose AWS as our cloud provider because one, it's a lower cost alternative to on-premises hosting. Second, it's easier for our technology people to install and maintain applications in AWS. And finally, we can scale our program. So in situations where we've got to scale up and scale down around political events like elections or other activities, AWS can easily help us get the machine resources we need into the applications when we need it and then scale back, therefore optimizing our overall costs. NDI uses a range of AWS services, starting with EC2, where we host up to, right now, about 53 instances in AWS Cloud. We use S3 for data storage and really enjoy snapshots and automating our backup process, which has been phenomenal for us. NDI has also been able to leverage auto-scaling and Elasticache for high availability applications where we needed to be able to spin up applications that could scale with demand and then scale back automatically. Things that were not possible 5 or 10 years ago in terms of scaling infrastructure, of building reusable tools, of offering services to people in low infrastructure environments. All of those things are now possible with the cloud, and it opens up a whole new area of innovation where we can look at not just making old processes better in helping these partners, but actually thinking of new approaches to empower people to strengthen their democratic institutions in their countries.